In this next objective, we're asked to find the unit price. Unit rate. A rate is a ratio of two measurements with different units. A unit rate is a rate in which the second quantity in comparison has a denominator of 1. A unit price, a unit rate used to compare price per item. And now that we've gotten the definitions and terms out of the way, let's do an example to understand what those terms really mean. A grocery store deli charges $4.59 for 1.5 pounds of maple ham. So find the unit price. In other words, what we want to find is how much is it for just 1 pound of maple ham? Now, the quickest method to do that is all you have to do is take the price and divide it by its unit. In this case, it's pounds. So we're going to divide by 1.5. The math definition is to write it as an equivalent rate with a denominator of 1 unit. Now, the only way you're going to have a denominator of 1 is if you take whatever number you have in the bottom and divide the top and the bottom by that number, because remember, with fractions, whatever you do to the bottom, you must also do to the top. So again, essentially, as I showed with the shortcut method, all you had to do was just take the amount and divide it by its pound, and that will give you the unit rate of how much it is for 1 pound of maple ham, and in this case it would be $3.06 per pound. Ratios can be applied in unit pricing to see which size of an item offered in different sizes has the best price per unit. Now, this is something you actually do a lot when you go to the grocery store and just may not realize it. You may see a product, and that particular product, they have it in various sizes, and you may wonder, well, okay, which one is a better buy? So in this case here, a supermarket charges the following for a jar of crunchy peanut butter. So there's an 18-ounce size that costs $1.78, a 28-ounce size, and then there's a large 40-ounce size. So we want to know which is a better buy. So to find out which is a better buy, recall to find the unit price of what would it be for just 1 ounce of peanut butter. All you have to do is take the price divided by the size. So here the unit of measure is in ounces, so it's just for the first one we would divide 1.78 divided by 18. To find the second unit of measure, unit price, you would type in $2.97 divided by 28. The next one, $3.98 divided by 40. So yes, you'll want to use your calculator for these so that you can get these approximate values. So let's go ahead and plug those into the calculator and see what it looks like so that we can determine which size is the best buy. Or in other words, which size has the lowest unit price. Okay, so again, just simply take the price divided by its ounce. Let's go ahead and do that for all the three values, and there you have it. So on the right side of the table is your output. So the first one is 0.099, which is almost, well, actually it does round to 10 cents. It's 9 cents now, but it rounds to about 10 cents. And then you have the other values. Now, if we look at these three values and compare them, the 18-ounce size, which is the smallest size here, is your best buy because that value is smaller than the other two values. If we were to rank these three values in order from least to greatest, it would be the 18-ounce being the best buy. The next better buy would be the 40-ounce, the larger size. And then the least best buy would be the 28-ounce because that value, the unit price, is higher than the others. So our best buy in this case is the 18-ounce size. So sometimes you go shopping, you think the bigger size is the best buy. That is not always the case. You have to do the math and determine which has the lowest price in terms of the unit price, and that will determine which item of that brand is the best buy. And there you have it. It's time for another checkpoint. Walmart sells this Gain liquid laundry detergent for the following prices. And what I want you to do is to pause the video for a moment and determine which of these sizes would be a better buy for you. So go ahead and do that. All right, so recall that in order for you to find the unit price, you're going to take the price of each item and divide it by its size. Here, the unit of measure is fluid ounces, so you're going to, for the first one, it would be 4.97 divided by 40. The second one would be 5.97 divided by 50, and so on. So once you get these values, it should look like so. So which did you say was a better buy? So we're looking for the value that has the lowest value. And which would that be? If you said the 100 fluid ounce size, then you are correct. Notice that of the others, if you were to round it, that one has the lowest value, 0.0925. So if you were to approximate that, yes, it's about 9 cents. So that 100 fluid ounce size is the best buy for the laundry detergent. Let's do another example. Which of the following gas stations sells gas for the best price per gallon? So here the unit of measure here is gallons. So you're going to have to find out what each gas station charges for just 1 gallon of gas. And so to do that, again, recall you're going to take the price and divide it by its unit of measure. So pause the video, go ahead and do that so you can determine which gas station has the best price. Okay, let's see how you did. So if we take all of those and divide the price divided by the number of gallons, we see that the smallest unit here, the smallest value is D, choice D, the $19.68 for 16 gallons of gas. Okay. And there you have it. Again, using unit measure or unit rate pricing to compare or to find better buys.